Hello everyone, welcome to another video. For those who are new to this channel, my name is Fran and I make these videos with the Sunnybank Trust every week. The Sunnybank Trust is a charity for people with learning disabilities and autism. And this week's theme is Christmas jumpers. We're going to be making a Christmas jumper craft today. Let's get started. For this activity you will need some scissors and some string, a glue stick and some liquid glue, some blue card and some red card, some newspaper to cover your table and some confetti, some pom-poms and some pipe cleaners. You'll also need some tape. We've got another template this week, so if you're printing your template, you'll need your printer and some paper. If you don't have a printer at home, you have the option to trace your laptop screen with a pencil. So for that, you'll need a laptop screen, some paper and a pencil. Find the link for this week's template in the caption below. If you're tracing your template, turn the brightness up to 100% and place your paper on top. Gently trace around the outlines of the jumpers. Cut out all 3 jumpers on your template. Don't forget to recycle. Using your glue stick, stick 2 of your jumpers to your red card. With your remaining jumper, stick this to your blue card. Through your blue card, cut around your Christmas jumper shape. Now take your red card and cut around your Christmas jumper shapes on there too. Turn over your jumper shapes to the coloured side. The next part might get a little bit sticky, so you may want to cover your work surface with some newspaper. I'm going to show you a few different ways of doing our Christmas jumper designs. It's totally up to you whether you want to follow some of these ideas or whether you want to design your own. We're going to start by adding some pom-poms to the neckline of your jumper. This will create a nice fluffy collar. Next, we're going to take out a pipe cleaner and measure it to the right size of your jumper. When you've found the right size, cut it down. Now we're going to apply some glue to the back. Stick it on just below your pom-poms. Take another pipe cleaner in a different colour and measure it to the size of the sleeve. Cut it down and stick it to the sleeve. In the same colour, measure another part of the pipe cleaner to the middle part. Once you've found the right size, cut it down and apply glue to the back. When you're ready, stick it down to the jumper. In the same colour again, measure enough pipe cleaner for the sleeve on the other side. When you're ready, cut it down and apply glue to the back. Stick it down. In another colour, measure enough pipe cleaner for the middle. Apply glue and stick it down. In the same colour, measure enough for the sleeve. Apply glue and stick it down. In the same colour, measure enough for the other sleeve. Apply glue and stick it down. Now let's try the second jumper idea. Apply glue all over the jumper shape. Add confetti all over the top of where you applied glue. Add a blob of glue to the end of each sleeve. Place 2 pom-poms on top. And now for the last jumper idea. Take 2 different colour pipe cleaners and twist one around the other. Keep twisting until you get to the end. Take the top end of your pipe cleaner and bend it into a hook to look like a candy cane. When you're ready and you've got the right amount, you can chop it off. And then we're going to repeat that step again and make another candy cane. Check to measure that it's the same size as the last one you did. Apply glue to the backs of each candy cane. Stick them down diagonally on each side so that they crisscross like this. Apply glue to the back of 2 pom-poms and stick them down to the end of each sleeve. Wait about 10 minutes for the glue to dry on all of the jumpers. Once the glue has dried, you want to start turning around your jumpers and placing them back down again. So we're going to do one red one, one blue one, and one red one again, in that order. Take out some string and measure it to the amount you want to hang it up later. Cut it down when you're happy with the length. Cut off 3 parts of sellotape and attach the string to the jumpers. I hope you enjoyed our Christmas jumper craft today. Email us at info@sunnybanktrust.org to share your photos from today's craft.